Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 10, Ad Extensions. In this lesson, we will delve into ad extensions, their importance in pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and how to effectively use them to enhance your ad campaigns. 1. What are ad extensions? Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that can be added to your text ads to provide more context and encourage user engagement. They expand your ad with extra information, like a phone number, additional links, or more text. 2. Types of ad extensions. Site link extensions, additional links to specific pages on your website, allowing users to navigate directly to relevant pages. Call-out extensions, additional text that highlights specific features or benefits of your products or services. Structured snippet extensions, highlight specific aspects of your products or services, such as brands, product types, or services. Call extensions, display your phone number as a clickable link, allowing users to call your business directly from the ad. Location extensions, display your business address and a map marker W with your ad, making it easy for users to find your physical location. App extensions, promote your mobile app by providing a link to download it directly from the ad. 3. Benefits of ad extensions. Increased visibility, ad extensions make your ads larger and more prominent, increasing their visibility and attracting more clicks. Improved ad relevance, ad extensions provide additional information that makes your ads more relevant to user search queries. Higher click-through rates, CTR, by providing more relevant information and options to users. Ad extensions can lead to higher CTRs, better user experience. Ad extensions make it easier for users to find the information they're looking for and take action, improving their overall experience. 4. How to use ad extensions effectively. Choose relevant extensions. Select ad extensions that are relevant to your business and the goals of your ad campaign. Test different extensions. Experiment with different ad extensions to see which ones perform best for your ads. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your ad extensions and make adjustments as needed to optimize performance. 5. Best practices for using ad extensions. Use a variety of extensions. Use a mix of different ad extensions to provide users with more options and information. Keep extensions up to date. Regularly update your ad extensions to ensure they reflect current promotions, offers, and business information. Use ad extensions on mobile. Ad extensions are particularly effective on mobile devices, where users may be looking for quick and relevant information. By leveraging ad extensions effectively, you can enhance your PPC ads, improve ad performance, and provide users with a more relevant and engaging experience.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.